Hey, what's going on? I'm on the move once again, and today I'm in North Carolina and I'm on the Appalachian Trail, and I'm gonna walk up here to an old fire tower that's now an observation deck. It's gonna have some beautiful mountain views. Let's check it out, come on. What's really cool about this experience is that how many times can one say that they've been on the Appalachian Trail? This is just so cool. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Got a little primitive camping spot here. Definitely a cool place to set a tent. You can see my shadow, but these fun little steps here. Okay everybody, the fire tower is just up there. Let's check it out. This is cool. Look at the views from here. I like. Alright, well the Appalachian Trail continues on that way, but we're going to go this way towards the fire tower, which is now the observation deck. Now the original tower was built in 1936 by the Civilian Conservation Corps as a live-in lookout, but in 1979 the tower was destroyed by arson. But luckily in the early 1990s the U.S. Forest Service restored the tower and placed a viewing deck up on top. All right, let's get on top. This is up top. Wow, this is awesome-tacular up here. Have you seen the views? Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of Wesser Bald. This is a fabulous place. It's a great hike and the views are freaking amazing. Well, I'll see everybody in another video real soon. Until then, take care, and I'm gonna still check out these amazing views. Talk to you later.